Hi guys, welcome to Punch Perfect Fitness. I'm Ollie Patterson, 10-0 professional boxer and coach. Today I'm here at Boxsport London, my gym in Barnet, and what I'm going to be going over is the importance of rolling after you've slipped a shot. So you'll see in the video attached where I'll be working with Tyrone the importance of why you should roll after you slip, or at least have a plan B. So, for instance, if I'm boxing someone here and I've slipped their jab, so many times I just see people slip the jab, come back, slip, then they're back. But if I'm slipping the jab and he throws a right hand, bang, I'm walking straight back into that right hand. So now what I want to try and do is slip, then roll. And then if he does throw that right hand, even if it's a straight right hand or it's a looping hook or a chopping right hand, I'm going to be able to slip, roll. And I'm in this position here. I'm in a safe position. Exactly the same thing is if I slipped his right hand to this side, 9 times out of 10 someone's going to throw a left hook. So if I go there and then back, bang, I'm walking straight into that left hook. So I need to be going slip, roll, and then I'm under his hook. Slip, roll, I'm there. I'm ready to fight, I'm at a good angle. The other thing as well is, because if you keep doing that, if you've slipped his shot and then you roll, he's gonna know. Oh, it doesn't take a genius to do it a few times. He's gonna think, right, every time I throw my jab, he slips it and then he rolls out. So now I'm gonna throw low. So that's why you've got to make sure when you do roll, your hands are nice and high. So if I did slip, say I slipped his right hand and I go to roll his left hook, if he throws his left hook low and I roll here, bang, I'm still getting knocked out. I need to slip, then roll with my hand high. So if I do roll into it, bang, it's hitting my glove, and I can fire back a shot still from there. If I roll and it's down there, I'm going to get knocked out or I'm going to get hurt. So that's my reason for rolling after you've slipped. It's a great technique just to get used to. Even if he doesn't throw a shot, I've slipped, I've rolled, I'm there, I'm moving my head off the line, I'm not just going straight back to the line, I'm not going straight back to where the trouble could be. I'm slipping, rolling, and then from here, I can fight from here. Give it a go, check out the next video, the video attached where I'm working with Tyrone, and remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, anything that helps. So yeah, hope you like this position of boxing each other. If you slip my jab, then now the importance of rolling after you've thrown your punch. So you bend the knee, you slip there. Obviously, most of the time, the right hand's going to come after back. So as soon as you slip, now roll.
Is in that? Yeah.
Yeah, and then you've got out of the way, yeah?
Okay.
Same thing if I throw a right hand and you've slipped, and then the left hook's going to come back. So roll out, okay. Yeah? The thing is, if you stay where you are, so slip there, bang.
Yeah.
Yeah? That's going to, so you obviously want to just try and roll out. So slip, roll. If I throw it straight, I've missed you. If I throw it wide, I've missed you. So slip, roll. If I throw a hook, that's it. If I throw it straight again, slip, right. There, and you're on the outside. And you can always move out or you can come back. Now if I throw a 1-2 and so now I'm going to throw a 1, you slip that one, slip this right hand. Slip. Now obviously stay where you were there.
Yeah. If you
don't roll, bang, that's it. If you now there, roll out, yeah? Okay. When you roll out, make sure that right hand's nice and high, because if you've done it a couple of times, so say you slip the right hand and then you've rolled their left hook.
Yeah. So
use their knees to roll under, yeah? So keeping that nice, so just there, yeah? So you've got right hand, slip the right hand. Now if you roll, back, your arm up. Now if they've done that a couple of times to them, they're going to know. So they might hook low. So you've gone right, bang. Yeah. Keep that. Yeah. Make sure that's up. Yeah. So you've got slip, bang. That's it. Yeah. And again, slip. That's it. One more. Slip. Tuck it up. Yeah. Good. Now do the same thing with the slip on that slip. Right hand. Keep it as high as you roll. Yeah. So in case they chop down. Again. Slip. That's it. So that's the nice and high. Yeah. Slip. That's good. You can brace against it as well if you need it, but just bend the knee. Good, I'll show from this angle on the jab, yeah? So slip my jab, then roll my right hand, yeah? So slip, roll. That's it again. Slip, roll. Come on. Slip, roll. Now the right hand, slip my right hand, roll my left hip. Again, slip, Again. One more.